Talk about
It
cold.
does look like a Diablo-esque tunnel.
Yeah, no kidding. And that tunnel is going to continue to stay frozen over the next few days, right?
Yeah, we all will. Temperatures not changing much. The overnight lows will warm up a little bit, but we're probably going to be shy of 40 degrees every day over the next 7 days. So well below normal temperature-wise, and basically every weather system that approaches us has the potential of dropping some lowland snow.
Wow.
Yeah, and we're really eyeing up this one for Friday afternoon into Friday night. That's when we're expecting the bulk of the snowfall, and we'll get to the other ones a little bit later. Right now, temperatures are warming above the freezing mark for most locations. Arlington right now at 31 degrees. You guys are still sub-freezing. 10 degrees is what Arlington started off the day at. That was after dropping to a low of 3 above yesterday morning. So the cold air is in place, but we don't really have any moisture in place. We're going to see clouds thicken through the rest of the afternoon, topping things off again just shy of 40 degrees, becoming overcast by 9-10 o'clock tonight. And with the added cloud cover, that should keep our overnight lows a little bit warmer. So instead of the teens and low 20s, we'll probably see temperatures the next couple of nights in the upper 20s, maybe even to near 30 degrees. So again, the clouds thickening up through the rest of the afternoon. Let me show you our overall weather pattern over the next couple of days. We have a ridge that's developing over the northeastern Pacific. That's putting us in more of a northerly flow. Our next weather system is actually over interior Canada right now. This one will work its way down the British Columbia coastline and give us the snow chances. That's for Friday and Saturday. In the distant forecast models, there's another one taking a similar path next Monday and Tuesday. A lot of questions on that one because, to be honest, it's not even on the western shores of Alaska yet. So that one, still a lot of questions. But this upcoming one later this week is happening. It is going to be a lot more likely that we're going to be seeing some lowland snow with similar totals from what we saw earlier this week, and in some cases, maybe even a little bit more. Timing things off, this is tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Notice northwestern clip of the Olympic Peninsula and up near the international border. That's where the snow initially starts. Maybe seeing a couple of snow flurries from Seattle southward. I don't think it's going to impact Friday morning's commute. The evening commute, however, that might be a bit of a different story, especially the deeper into the day we go. This is tomorrow evening by 6 o'clock. Most of us dealing with the snow might actually see some rain show up out along the coast. That's going to limit snowfall totals there. The snow will be heavy Friday night into early Saturday morning. Even by dawn Saturday, it looks like the snow will continue to fall. Not seeing things taper off until Saturday afternoon. Might see some clearing later on in the day, and it looks like Sunday will be the drier day of the weekend. Here's a look at the snowfall totals, which have been pretty consistent the last couple of forecast runs. Notice widespread 4 to 8 inches of snowfall. Now, even though we have about 6.5 for Seattle, that might bump up a couple inches or down a couple inches, all depending on how things shape up. So that's what's happening this weekend. So lowland snow likely Friday morning up in the north interior, all the way stretching through Saturday evening. Significant snowfall amounts, certainly enough to plow, and then a strong northeasterly wind for the northwest interior, pulling in those cold temperatures. We still don't know exactly snowfall totals or locations, and of course the strength and timing of Monday and Tuesday system, that's also a big question as well. Here's the rest of your forecasts. Again, temperatures will be staying about 10 to 15 degrees colder than normal all the way through next week. It does look like we will see a break on Sunday. That's a nice day to maybe go outside and enjoy the snowfall that we do see over the next couple of days, and then another break by the middle of next week. But again, it'll be cold enough where each one of these weather systems that moves through gives us the potential to have more of these lowland snow conversations.
And not warm enough for any of it to really melt.
Not really. I mean, still shy of 40 degrees, a little melting, but still refreezing overnight.
All right, thank you, Ben.